So, what is the origin, what is the meaning, and how do you pronounce the name given by Meghan and Harry to their newborn baby daughter? First off, how do you say it? Lilibet. It refers to the Queen's nickname within the family and was first used when Princess Elizabeth was just a toddler and still a princess at the time, and unable to pronounce her name correctly, she would say Lilibet rather than Elizabeth. It's way easier to say, isn't it? Lilibet. And now you know where the name comes from. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more related names, the full name of Lilibet as well, if that's of your interest, and a few more. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support.